Hi, I'm Suzanne Garner. I am in Physics 2 and I went to the lecture held on Saturday, November 3rd, given by the Georgia Tech professor David Finkelstein, and he talked about how to not be confused by quantum mechanics and the quantum mechanics theory. So his main point was about something he called vectors, which can also be called carriers. So they were basically like these little rectangular strips that looked kind of like film, so some light would go through but not all light. And when you held up one, a certain amount of light would go through, and when you held up two, the same amount of light goes through. But when you turn them perpendicular, they make an opaque square, so no light goes through. And when there's an angle in between the two, only some of it goes through. So the quantum mechanics theory really tries to explain what goes through at certain angles and how much in the probability using statistics. Which was something I somewhat understood. I understood all the math that went along with it, and then on top of it, he was trying to explain how the statistics are used to predict the probability. So even he admitted by the end of the lecture that he does not understand the last part of it, so no scientist understands why some particles go through at certain angles and some others don't, but that's the thing they're still kind of trying to figure out. But then one of his other main points was that this theory works with all other scientific theories, so it should be accepted by the scientific community, which seemed kind of like his argument